Hi everyone, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. Today we're going to talk about Taylor and Maclaurin series. So just remember, a Taylor series can be centered at anything, but a Maclaurin series is centered at 0. So the way we're going to answer these questions is we need to make sure we memorize a few common series: sine x, cosine x, e to the x, and 1 over 1 minus x. So here we go. So if f of x is equal to x cosine 2x, write the first 4 non-zero terms in the Maclaurin series. So instead of sitting there and building the Maclaurin series from this formula that I'm writing in purple, f of a plus f prime of a times x minus a over 1 factorial plus f double prime of a, blah, blah, blah. So this is the formula, squared over 2 factorial. We can take one of the common Maclaurin series and build it from that. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the Maclaurin series for cosine x. And I'm going to write out the first 4 non-zero terms. So cosine has all of the even powers, so it's going to be 1 minus x squared over 2 factorial plus x to the 4th over 4 factorial minus x to the 6th over 6 factorial and so forth. Then I'm going to build the Maclaurin series for cosine 2x. So everywhere I see an x, right here, I am going to replace it with 2x now. Okay, so we're going to have 1 minus 2x squared over 2 factorial plus 2x to the 4th over 4 factorial minus 2x to the 6th over 6 factorial. And then last but not least, we're going to find the Maclaurin series for x cosine 2x. So we're going to go over here, and that just means we're going to take everything from the previous series that I just built and multiply it all by x. So we're going to have x cosine 2x. We're going to take every single term and multiply it by x. So you can see how I'm writing it. If this was a free response, you could leave it like this. If it's a multiple choice, they would have simplified it most likely and pulled the x in and expanded it. So here we go. This is the Maclaurin series for x cosine 2x. Now the next type of question you have to be familiar with, this keyword right here, the sum of the series. If you guys see that on the AP, you were thinking, okay, they gave us a series. It's going to look like one of the common Maclaurin series, cosine, sine, or e to the x. You want to identify which series it is first, and then you need to notice what value did they replace x with. So if you look here, it looks to me like they're letting x equal 5. Also, what are some other key things? The series is not alternating, it's just being added up. So I know it can't be cosine, it can't be sine, it's going to be e to the x. So the series for e to the x is 1 plus x squared over 2 factorial, x cubed over 3 factorial, dot, 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 x to the n over n factorial. And you can see, okay, instead of using an x, they replaced x with 5. So then this series that it's up here in blue, the sum of it is going to be e to the 5 because we're going to replace x with 5. Done. Remember what a series is. It's a way to represent a function. So like if we have the function would be e to the x, okay? The first 4 terms would be 1 plus x squared over 2 factorial, x cubed over 3 factorial. And if summation notation, it would be x to the n over n factorial. Okay? Done.